Top 3 stand mixers, KitchenAid versus Cuisinart versus Breville. Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! If you're in the market for a stand mixer, you've probably come across a few household names: KitchenAid, Cuisinart, and Breville. Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of 3 popular models to help you figure out which one will take your baking and cooking game to the next level. Stick around as we break down the KitchenAid stand mixer, the Cuisinart SM-50, and the Breville BEM 800 XL Scraper Mixer Pro. Let's get mixing! First up, we have the KitchenAid stand mixer, the iconic classic choice for home bakers and chefs around the world. You've probably seen it on Instagram, Pinterest, or even your grandma's kitchen counter. This model is known for its exceptional build quality, versatility, and sleek design. One of the standout features of the KitchenAid is its durability. Built to last for years, the motor is robust, and the all-metal construction ensures that it can withstand heavy mixing even for tough doughs like pizza or bread. The real appeal of the KitchenAid stand mixer is the vast array of attachments that are compatible with it. Everything from pasta makers to food grinders. It's a true kitchen workhorse. This means you can do so much more than just mixing. You can chop, shred, slice, and even juice fruits. The KitchenAid stand mixer comes in a range of sizes, from the compact 3.5-quart model to the massive 7-quart version, making it perfect for both small kitchens and larger baking projects. Plus, you can choose from a plethora of colors to match your kitchen's vibe. KitchenAid mixers tend to be on the pricier side, especially for the larger models or those with more attachments. It's an investment that can range from $300 to $600 or more. Another downside is its weight. The KitchenAid mixer is fairly heavy, which can be a bit cumbersome if you plan on moving it around your counter often. Some users find the motor to be a bit noisy, especially when mixing thicker doughs or heavy batters. Next up, let's take a look at the Cuisinart SM-50. This stand mixer is often compared to KitchenAid because of its similar features, but comes at a more affordable price point. So, if you're looking for quality without the premium price tag, this one could be a solid contender. One of the major benefits of the Cuisinart SM-50 is its price. It offers similar features to the KitchenAid stand mixer, but typically costs between $200 and $300, making it a great option if you're on a budget. It comes with a 500-watt motor, which is pretty powerful for a stand mixer in this price range. Whether you're mixing cake batter or kneading bread dough, it can handle the task without any issues. With 12-speed settings, the Cuisinart offers greater control over your mixing. From slow stirring to high-speed whipping, you have a lot of flexibility for different recipes. The tilt-head design makes it easy to access the bowl and add ingredients. It's a convenient feature, especially for people who like to check on their mixing progress frequently. While the Cuisinart SM-50 is certainly sturdy, it doesn't quite match the long-term durability of the KitchenAid. Some users report that the motor isn't as quiet or as reliable in the long run, especially with heavy-duty tasks. Cuisinart doesn't offer as many attachments as KitchenAid does, so while it's a great stand mixer for general tasks, if you're looking for versatility beyond mixing, you might find the options limited. The 5.5-quart mixing bowl is a bit smaller compared to some of the larger KitchenAid models. This might not be a deal-breaker for most home bakers, but if you're making large batches of dough or batter, it could feel cramped. Now, let's move on to the Breville BEM 800 XL Scraper Mixer Pro, a newer player in the stand mixer game that has quickly made a name for itself due to its innovative features and sleek design. This mixer is a great option for those who want high-end performance, but with a bit of a twist. One of the coolest features of the Breville Scraper Mixer Pro is its scraper beater attachment. This unique feature scrapes the sides of the bowl while mixing, ensuring that everything is incorporated evenly without having to stop and scrape manually. This saves time and makes mixing smoother, literally. The Breville BEM 800 XL is known for its surprisingly quiet motor. Even when mixing heavy, dense doughs, The noise level is much lower compared to KitchenAid and Cuisinart models. If you're someone who can't stand noisy appliances, this could be a big plus. Like the Cuisinart, the Breville offers 10 speed settings. However, it also has a 5-quart bowl, which makes it a perfect middle ground option for those who don't need the larger bowl of the KitchenAid but still want to work with sizable batches. The Breville Scraper Mixer Pro comes in around $400–$500, which is in the same range as higher-end KitchenAid mixers. While it's not as expensive as some of the more premium KitchenAid models, it still may be out of budget for some shoppers. While the scraper beater is a game changer, Breville doesn't offer as many compatible attachments as KitchenAid does. If you need a lot of versatility, you may feel restricted by the available accessories. At 15 pounds, it's not the lightest mixer out there. If you need to move it around frequently or have limited counter space, this could be a drawback. So, which stand mixer is the right one for you? Let's recap. If you want durability, versatility, and the ability to expand your kitchen tools with a ton of attachments, the KitchenAid stand mixer is the classic choice, even though it's on the pricier side. If you're on a budget but still want solid performance and reliable power, the Cuisinart SM-50 is an excellent choice. It's a great alternative for home bakers who don't need all the bells and whistles of the KitchenAid. If you prefer a quieter, innovative design with a unique scraper attachment for even mixing, the Breville Scraper Mixer Pro could be a perfect match, especially for those who are willing to spend a bit more for the added convenience. Ultimately, each of these mixers has something unique to offer, so it really depends on your preferences and what features are most important to you. Hopefully, this comparison helped you narrow down your options. Happy mixing, and until next time!